At Apollo Spectra, we have been there for well over a decade. We have more than 20 such spectras across the country, which offer super specialties right from orthopedics, gynecology, gastroenterology, urology, and general surgery. We have decades of experience of clinical excellence and bringing more care to our patients. Apollo 1 is the other setup which is there in this facility, which really takes preventive care to the next level.
टेनिस की दिग्गज खिलाड़ी सानिया मिर्जा की मौजूदगी में इस हॉस्पिटल का उद्घाटन हुआ। नमस्कार दोस्तों, डीडीएस न्यूज़ में आपका स्वागत है। अपोलो हेल्थ एंड लाइफस्टाइल लिमिटेड के तहत जाने माने स्वास्थ्य सेवा प्रदाता अपोलो स्पेक्ट्रा हॉस्पिटल एवं अपोलो 1 ने दिल्ली के करोल बाग में पूसा रोड में अपने एक नए बुटीक हॉस्पिटल को लॉन्च किया है। इस हॉस्पिटल का उद्घाटन टेनिस की दिग्गज खिलाड़ी सानिया मिर्जा की मौजूदगी में हुआ। अपोलो स्पेक्ट्रा को शॉर्ट स्टे सर्जरी में स्पेशलिटी देखभाल के लिए जाना जाता है। वहीं अपोलो 1 एआई आधारित प्रीएक्टिव हेल्थ केयर समाधान उपलब्ध कराता है। यह बुटीक हॉस्पिटल सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टरों की टीम, कंसल्टेंट्स एवं आधुनिक तकनीकों के माध्यम से मरीज की स्वास्थ्य संबंधी सभी जरूरतों के लिए वन स्टॉप समाधान उपलब्ध कराएगा। इस अवसर पर श्री MBN राव, बोर्ड के चेयरमैन अपोलो हेल्थ एंड लाइफस्टाइल लिमिटेड ने कहा कि यह एक बुटीक हॉस्पिटल प्रीमियर हेल्थ केयर के लिए सभी के लिए सुलभ बनाएगा। हॉस्पिटल में स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर की टीम और आधुनिक सुविधाएं मरीज को नए स्तर की देखभाल प्रदान करेगी। हॉस्पिटल आधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी एवं उपकरणों जैसे रोबोटिक सर्जिकल सिस्टम, डायग्नोस्टिक सेवाओं और प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ प्रोग्रामों के माध्यम से मरीजों को सर्वश्रेष्ठ परिणाम देने का अनुभव करेगा। सभा को संबोधित करते हुए सानिया मिर्जा, जो निवारक स्वास्थ्य देखभाल के पक्ष में दे रही हैं, ने कहा कि यह देखकर अच्छा लगता है कि वो अपोलो भविष्य के लिए तैयार मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से मरीजों को उत्कृष्ट स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं उपलब्ध कराने के लिए निरंतर प्रयासरत है।
With 101 million diabetics, 136 million pre-diabetics, and about 1.5 million new cancer cases every single year. For the last 30 years, many of us have actually witnessed the amazing economic revolution in the country. With the boon that liberalization brought us, the modern living, conveniences, infrastructure. Along with that came the bane of non-communicable diseases. We're talking about diabetes, hypertension, cancers, mental health. Number of these have also entered our lives. Just yesterday we released the 4th edition of the Health of the Nation. This is Apollo's perspective on how healthy we are as a nation. It's based on our data set across all our group entities who screen people from our cities to rural areas. The findings are quite grim. We actually found that the median age of cancers in our Indian populations are a full decade.
Standards in healthcare services. We pride ourselves on delivering luxury in healthcare with affordability, making us the go-to destination for those seeking top-tier medical care. As a constellation of hospitals, Apollo Spectra Hospitals boasts of over 2.5 lakh successful surgeries with outstanding clinical outcomes, all under the care of 2,500 plus leading doctors across a wide spectrum of specialties. So there is a lot that we are going to be covering today related to Apollo Spectra and Apollo 1. Also, you see a lot of very different features at this facility. You can also see there is a Costa coffee behind this backdrop. So for the waiting areas, we have taken special measures to make sure that even the waiting experience is premium, that you're wealthier in that department, and that your health asset is well nurtured. Apollo is here and has been here for 40 years. We have a legacy of 40 years and we are so thankful for all the trust that everyone has put in us. And today we are here as part of our mission to touch a billion lives and create that global health environment, enriching global health at the grand inauguration of Apollo 1 and Apollo Spectra at Pusa Road, where the residents of Delhi are going to experience premium healthcare. Apollo 1, Apollo Spectra, one is falling under primary care, one is falling under secondary care. Primary care is diagnosis, so Apollo 1 takes care of that. And Apollo Spectra is about surgeries, which can be selective surgery, short stay surgeries, and you get all those facilities here at Apollo Spectra. We'll get to know more about all these details. Meanwhile,
Sania Mirza, our esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Emil Rao sir, my colleague, Dr. Satya Srira, friends from the media, doctors, employees, and all the honored guests. Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. Today I really stand with you with immense pride and excitement as we really unveil two of our world-class facilities, Apollo Spectra and Apollo 1 at Pusa Road. This truly is a landmark achievement for all of us to bring quality and accessible healthcare closer to all Delhiites. Apollo is a very common name and has more than 40 years of legacy. At Apollo Spectra, we have been there for well over a decade. We have more than 20 such spectras across the country which offer super specialties right from orthopedics, gynecology, gastroenterology, urology and general surgery. We have decades
to bring preventive health care. Basically, he is a cardiologist by training and education, but his passion is in preventive health care. So he says, let us help people in preventing the diseases and ailments that has been his mission.
Facility Apollo Spectra and Apollo 1 at Pusa Road. This truly is a landmark achievement for all of us to bring quality and accessible healthcare closer to all Delhiites. Apollo is a very common name and has more than 40 years of legacy.